Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. The ANBERNIC released the new RG35XX H portable horizontal console. The H at the end of the model stands for horizontal, and it uses an Allwinner H700 processor, which comes with a 1 GB storage array with 64 GB internal space, with the ability to add an external storage unit. The device comes with a screen size 3.5 inches, resolution 640 x 480, and battery capacity 3,300 mAh. It comes in 3 colors: black, white and transparent, and supports more than 30 gaming platforms, including PSP, DC and other platforms. Equipped with 5G Wi-Fi, it can realize functions such as streaming and online playback. HDMI is connected to the TV for more gaming enjoyment. And Bluetooth 4.2 supports connection to multiple wireless Bluetooth controllers. This version is not much different from previous versions in terms of design and central processing unit, as it comes with the updated operating system from ANBERNIC. The device comes with speakers at the bottom on both sides, with the ability to add more than one external memory for more games. On one side there are buttons for increasing and decreasing the volume level, and on the other side there is a button for operating. This version is somewhat similar to the RG350M version,